Bee and Butterfly. Today we are going to start a new story. Without wasting our time, we start our story. Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, a bee named Buzz and a beautiful butterfly named Bella lived. They lived in the same meadow, but they had never really talked to each other until one day. One sunny afternoon, Buzz was collecting nectar from the flowers, but she got stuck in a spider web. She struggled and struggled, but couldn't free herself. Bella, who was flying by, saw Buzz's predicament and flew down to help her. With her delicate wings, Bella carefully begins to untangle Buzz from the web. It took some time and effort, but eventually Buzz was free. She was incredibly grateful to Bella and thanked her for her kindness. From that day, Buzz and Bella become the best friends. They spend their days exploring meadow together and playing hide and seek. One day, Bella got caught in a sudden rainstorm and couldn't find any shelter. Buzz, seeing her friend distressed, quickly flew to rescue her. She led Bella to a cozy little cave she had discovered earlier, where they waited out the storm together. As the rain poured outside, Buzz and Bella huddled together, chatting and laughing. They realized that now they are good friends, although they are different creatures. From then on, Buzz and Bella were inseparable. They went on adventures, helped each other in a time of need, and enjoyed each other's company. As the season changed, their friendship only grew stronger. One day, as they sat on a sunny rock, watching the cloud drift lazily by, Bush turned to Obala and said, I'm so grateful for our friendship. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me. Bella smiled her wings, fluttering with happiness. I feel the same way, Bush. We proved that even the most different creatures can become the closest friend. Let's learn the lesson of story. Act of kindness make ease in our life. We should be good with everyone. If you like our story, then like the video, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel.